now. I got a bad ground over here on this side, and I think my headlights are both bad. Only the bright works on the one side, but we got her all put together. Like I said, I'm gonna custom build me a grill. Too loud. It's Sunday night. That'll put a smile on your face. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Hope you all enjoyed it. Y'all have a good evening. Thank you.